Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic in the tech world, the rise of microservices and what it means for Enterprise Service Bus or ESB. If you're interested in software architecture, integration strategies, or just want to understand how these concepts are evolving, you're in the right place. First, let's clarify what microservices are. Microservices are an architectural style that structures an application as a collection of small, loosely coupled services. Each service is independently deployable and can be developed, tested, and scaled independently. This approach contrasts with traditional monolithic architectures where all components are interconnected and dependent on each other. Over the past decade, we've seen a significant shift towards microservices. This rise can be attributed to several factors. Scalability microservices allow organizations to scale individual components based on demand. Flexibility teams can use different technologies for different services, promoting innovation. Faster deployment. Smaller codebases mean quicker updates and deployments. Now let's talk about ESB or Enterprise Service Bus. ESB is a middleware tool that facilitates communication between different applications in a service-oriented architecture. It acts as a central hub that manages data exchange, ensuring that services can communicate effectively. So what does the rise of microservices mean for ESB? Here are some key points to consider. As microservices become more prevalent, the role of ESB is evolving. Instead of being the central hub, ESB may become one of many integration patterns. Microservices promote a decentralized approach to integration which can reduce the reliance on a single ESB. With microservices, APIs become the primary means of communication, leading to a greater emphasis on API management tools rather than traditional ESB solutions. Looking ahead, we can expect several trends. As microservices grow, API gateways will play a crucial role in managing traffic and security. Organizations may adopt hybrid models that combine ESB with microservices to leverage the strengths of both approaches. The rise of event-driven architectures will complement microservices, allowing for more responsive and scalable systems. In conclusion, the rise of microservices is reshaping the landscape of software integration and the role of ESB. As organizations continue to adopt microservices, we'll see a shift towards more flexible, decentralized integration strategies. What are your thoughts on this evolution? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology.